with another Budgie Marx. Today we're going to be exploring this pond. Then let's go into the pond. Look, see. Oh, it's actually a puddle, but yeah. Nice looking little puddle. Move around us over here. It's a party over here nearby. Man, that's muddy. Oh wow. This must be the whole thing. There's a worm in there. Hey. Oh, there's a sewage pipe. Well, I mean, that's a nice looking little puddle. I thought it was a pond. Man, I wish it rained so that way it could be large. There's a worm in there. Can be seen there, right there. I might edit that in. Or Budgie Marx will. Some giant Christmas trees. Some other friendly trees. Lots and lots of rocks. A giant rock. More Christmas trees. And we'll go ahead back now. It's a little muddy, very sprouty, maybe even something moldy. Obviously wet, but super rocky. Always dirty, maybe even sticky. Anyway, so that'll be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you please enjoy, please subscribe and share. Ring that bell for notifications so don't miss further content. Be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye. Nice Christmas trees.